Hey everybody, we're back with more Revit training, and this is our rendering of the in 3D rendering, well, in cloud rendering of the store shop, and we changed the ceiling. Uh, this is the layout for the ceiling, and I did a rendering in the cloud. So now we're going to look at our electrical model because these fixtures are actually in architectural. So I'm going to move back into that electrical model, but we have to close this one out. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So I've got to knock this down. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to go into the electrical model that we created. So here's our electrical model, and I'm going to show you how to add and modify electrical equipment and devices. So when this guy finally opens, here we go. And so we're in the power level 2, but I want to go to power level 1. And right here, we have our electrical room. Now I placed these appliances, but I'm going to take them out because this is a different way to load these in 2023 as opposed to earlier versions. And so now how to do that, we want to go into our systems tab, and right here we want to look at electrical equipment. So I've got this equipment already loaded in, but I'm going to show you how to load it because it's a little different here. So normally if I didn't have these loaded, let me see if I can purge these out. Well, I'm going to just show you how to do this. So here you might want to go, originally you would go into your insert tab and you'll load a family and you'll get this. Now this box will come up because it's probably a bug they need to fix, or they probably already fixed. So I'm going to cancel that. You need to go into the cloud here, and while you're in the cloud, we need to go and look at our, that's lays, you see, do I have it here? Yeah, so you need to go on the electrical MEP, electrical power and distribution. So here we have our lighting and appliance. We got the 480 and the 208 MLO. So that's the 480 right there. That's the 480 surface. We want to go at the recess, that one. And here we've got the surface, the 480 lighting distribution. We got the surface mounted here. I want to go with this one. And I want to load these into the project. I'm going to overwrite this because I have it in here. I just want to show you how to do that. Please subscribe if you have it. So right here in this, you see our electrical room. We want to go into our systems tab, and we go back to our equipment. And I want to load these two panels in. This is our 480. We'll put the 480 here. And then we'll go down and do the 208. Where is it at? Yeah, we're at the 208 here, and we'll go 400 there. And we'll place these guys right here. So these are surface mounted. You can also have wall mounted. And it's just a matter of picking the correct family. So that's how you would add your panels. Sorry I didn't do that. And then here you see up here, these are wall vertical faced here. And that's going to sort of default to that. Now what we're going to do now is we want to go again back to our electrical equipment, our systems here. And we want to go back to electrical equipment, and then I want to bring a transformer and probably place it here. Do I have any loaded in? Hopefully not. Okay, there's our dry transformers, but you can add them the same way. So what we do here is, just depending on, you know, a lot of electrical things and loading and whatever, again, please subscribe. I'm going to go to drive transformer 480. So I'm going to go to drive transformer. Let me see if I'm going to show you how to load this guy in. So again, we go back to our insert tab. We're gonna load. Okay, I'm gonna get that out of there. There you go. Now we're gonna load this family, and dry transformers are here. You can just sort of drag over this to see which one you're bringing in. I'm going to bring in the. Let me see if I got a NEMA type in here. But this is where they are. I'm going to go back to power. Let's see. So we got a whole host of things here. But I'm going to use dry transformer. Okay, 1200. That's a pretty big one. Dry transformer. What's this? Yeah, we want to go with the NEMA type. I'm going to load it here. And it's already in, so I'm going to just override it. And then we're going to drop that guy here. So we go back into our systems here. And then we'll go back to equipment. And we'll go down to our dry transformer here. And I want to go at the NEMA type 2 or whatever you specified in the project. So I'm going to, for this job, I'm going to say the 408 or the 480. What I got here, I don't have it in here. NEMA transformer. Let's just go with the 300 kVA, and we'll place this guy right about here. So now at this point we might want to move this receptacle here. It's probably not going to be there, or we can just set this guy here for now. But that's how you would load equipment. And then what's also important is you might want to give this a name, or in the panels a name. So for this one, you will select it, and in the properties, we can go down here, and you can name these. So we can name this, say, I'm going to call this LP1. Well, I'm going to name these first. I'm going to name this guy here. You can name it here. You can call this LP1. There's two caps. You say OK there. And this one we will call it LP2. Apply. And for our lighting and appliance panel, select it and give this the name T1, Transformer 1. So that's how you would add equipment in here. Very simple and straightforward. So now I have my electrical room, and I have my appliance, my appliance panels, and I have my transformer. So hey guys, I just wanted to run that through to you for this project. It's moving along, and then I might want to shut this guy down for now, or better yet, let's do this. I'm going to go and link in my architectural model. So I go to my Manage tab. I want to insert, go to Manage, and I'm going to links. Where's the Manage links here? Go to I'm in Manage. Yep. Boy, it's kind of late, guys. Sorry. I want to go to Insert. I'm sorry. I wanted the Revit link, and I want to grab that architectural project. Go up here. Nope, sorry, dashboard. Jeez. Come on, Revit. Act right. Jeez. Whew. to my links. This guy here, Lafayette Street. I probably better get us a better name. Let's see the date. Where was the drawing? I'm trying to think of what the drawing file was that we were using. It was this one. So I want to open that and link it in. Yeah, I'm going to continue this. Or is it already linked in? Sorry, I probably got this already linked in. Let's see where the links. Okay, so I'm going to go to my first level ceiling here. And you see those light fixtures from that other model. So what I want to do, I'm going to copy monitor these light fixtures in so they can be in our electrical file for right now. So I'm going to go to my collaborate tab. And I want to go coordination. I want to go to select link. I'm going to go to copy monitor. I'm going to select this link here. And then I want to go and I want to basically copy, and I want to go multiple, but I want to do the filter. Okay. Want multiple, and I want to just go to my, grab these guys here. Then I want to do my filter, and I want to remove all these, and I'll just take the light fixtures. I'm going to go apply, okay. I'm going to finish. So what's happening is all these light fixtures, as you can see here, I copied into our electrical model. So I just want to run that through to you. We got our light fixtures going on, and we got our equipment all in the electrical model, because that's where we're going to be. So we probably should do these. I'll probably do these later. And then I might drop, I'll leave the architecture in there for now. Well, let me remove the architecture because I don't need it. Hit the Finish tab here. And then go into my 3D view. So there's our light fixtures and our electrical model from the architect's model. And then we'll go ahead, and what has to happen here is we got to do our circuiting and everything from level 1 power ceiling. Or we can go into lighting. So there are our light fixtures and our power. So this is how you basically set up your electrical drawing. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the video. We're moving on with this. I'm going to finish up with all the other electrical and bring it into this project, and then we'll do our circuit in the one. Hey guys, please subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Everybody be safe and bye.